Hi everyone, welcome. Let's begin with a gentle stretch. Exhale. If you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe, comment below and share this video. Thanks. Let's unlock your hips. Start with a deep lunge. Now switch to controlled alignment. Feel the stretch forward and impatience. Build balance with flexors. And repeat this daily. This is how you transform your mobility. Step 1. Drop into a deep lunge. Keep your chest upright and gently push your hips forward. Feel the stretch in your hip flexor. Hold and breathe. Now focus on your hips. Keep them square, tighten your core, and hold steady. This is where real mobility begins. Lie down, feet flat. Push through your heels and lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. This builds strength and stability. Hold at the top. Don't rush it. Tighten your glutes and keep your body aligned. This is your peak contraction. Own it. Sit in the 90-90 position. Rotate your hips slowly. Control every movement. This improves deep joint mobility. Keep the motion flowing. Move with control, not speed. Your hips should feel smooth, not forced. Drop into a deep squat. Push your knees out with your elbows. Keep your chest lifted. This is full body mobility. From the side, check your form. Keep your spine neutral and heels grounded. Stability is key here. Balance on one leg. Move your hip in controlled circles. Stay steady. This builds strength and coordination. Control the movement through your hips. Let your body flow with precision and focus.
Notice the difference. Consistency transforms your body. This is your before and after journey.
Follow this routine daily. Move with control, breathe deeply, and stay consistent. Your body will thank you.